friends, my name is Kundan Kumar Singh and today I am going to deliver a beautiful lecture on mathematics dealing with the topic number system. In this we have the subheading that is finding the factors of a given number. So in order to find the factors of a given number, first of all the prerequisite knowledge which you require is that table from 2 to 20. You need to by heart it or you need to memorize it. After that, you must know how to divide a number. These are the two prerequisites which are very much crucial while finding out the factors of a given number. So let's begin. I am erasing this. Alright. Before moving into the actual topic, how to find the factor, I would like to say what is factor. So let us discuss what is factor. First of all, I am writing the term factor. It is nothing but any number which completely divides the given number is called as factor of that number. So what is factor? Factor is nothing but any number which completely divides the given number, it is called as a factor. So for example, I am taking one number 8. So we are here to find the factors of 8. How can you find the factors of 8? To find the factors of 8, you have to read the table from 1 to 8. You have to see whether this 8 is divisible by 1 or not. So let us see here. We are taking it and we are dividing by 1. 1 8 ja. 1 8 ja 8. So leaving remainder as 0. That means 1 is dividing this 8 completely. Why completely? Because the remainder is 0. If any number is dividing this 8 and leaving remainder 0, then we can conclude that this number 1 is the factor of 8. So one factor we have already got, that is factor of 8 are 1, comma. Now we will see from 2 whether in the table of 2 this 8 is occurring or not. I am erasing this. Here you have to take 8 and 1 is already over, so we will go for 2. In the table of 2 you have to see whether 8 is coming or not. Yes, in the table of 2 4 times 8 occurs. That means remainder is 0. When the remainder is 0, then only we can say that this number, this 2, is the factor of 8. So I am writing 2. Again, I am erasing this and checking with 3. Do you think in the table of 3, 8 is going to occur? So 3 2s are 6. It will give remainder as 2. Now if you try to divide it, then this quotient will come in the form of decimal value. So that means this number 3 is not able to divide the given number, that is 8, because the remainder is not 0 over here. If the remainder is not 0, then we can conclude that this number is not the factor of the given number. Here the given number is 8. So this 3 is not the factor of 8, so we will not write over here. We will move to the next one, that is 4. The same number, given number is 8, we are going to test whether it is divisible by 4 or not. So we are taking here 4. In the table of 4, we have to see 8 is occurring or not. Yes, in 2 times it will occur. 4 to the 8. So remainder once again 0. This means 4 is also the factor of 8. Again, we will see for 5. Here. Now we will see for 5. Do you think in the table of 5 8 will occur? No. Let us see. 5 ones are 5. It will give 3. That means the remainder is not 0. Then this 5 is not the factor of 8. Okay? So we will not write. We will discard it simply. We will move for 6. Do you think in the table of 6 this 8 is going to occur? No. 6 ones are 6. That means 2 is the remainder. So the remainder should be 0. Then only we can conclude that this number is the factor of the given number. But here remainder is 2, which means this is not the factor of 8. Okay? So we simply discard it. Now we are moving for 7. This is the number and we are going to divide it by 7. In the table of 7, 8 will occur? No. 7 ones are, it is 7. That means the remainder will be 1. Remainder will be 1. Here the remainder should be 0. Then only we can conclude that this 7 is the factor of 8. But here it is 1. So it is also discarded. Now we go for 8. Do you think in the table of 8 this 8 will occur? Of course, 8 ones are. So it will give 0. That means remainder is 0. So we can conclude this 8 is also the factor of 8. Okay. Now it is okay, clear. How to find the factors of a number is nothing but we are going to test whether this given number, this number is divisible by these factors or not. Yes, this 8 is divisible with these factors. Yes, of course. Factors are those numbers which completely divide the given number. That's what we have written over here. You can see in the statement, it is very clear. Any number, in the statement you can see very clearly, any number which completely divides. Any number means these are the any numbers. Any number, either 1, 2, 4, 8, these are any numbers which completely divides the given number. The given number is this one. This one is the given number. Any number which completely divides the given number is called as the factors of that number. So here the factors of this given number are 1, 2, 4, 8. So now we need to check in the table of 1, this table, in the table of 1, this 8 will occur not. Yes, by that checking only we have written all these factors. I hope you are understood about the factors, how to find the factors of the given number.